feeling the stuffy sinuses, off balance, you just feel cloudy in your head. What if I told you that a lot of what you feel could simply be coming from the fact that you have a very stiff, tight neck? Yep, I didn't believe it either. But as I started to incorporate simple neck stretches, I felt better in my entire head and shoulders and back and everywhere. So in today's video, I'm just gonna show you a quick and easy way that you can be sitting in your chair, you can stand up. I recommend probably stand up and do it if you can, and you'll see that in time, as that neck starts to loosen up, you're gonna feel better in your sinuses and you're gonna feel better in your overall perspective. So this is what we're gonna take our hand, any hand first, and we're gonna go ahead and get a good grip around the back of that skull there. And what we're gonna do is we're going to turn our head to have our elbow face that way. And as we do, start pulling down. And as you pull down, kind of tighten up in your fingertips, kind of squeeze the back of your head a little bit, just a little bit, and pull downward. Let that elbow drop, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go until you start to feel that the muscles are kind of restricted. And as you get to that point, everybody's point is different. Hold it there for about 5 to 10 seconds. Even kind of go a little bit more too as you are holding it. So you can kind of see as you hold the neck steady, hold those fingertips steady over the back of the skull, you'll notice that the amount of leverage you get, the amount of that band in the neck here that's tight starts to loosen up, and you can go a little bit further down. Keep going. See, I felt that it loosened up a little bit. And the trick is you want to go slow enough so your muscles have time to unravel in a sense here. Think of it as a very stiff and tight rubber band that needs to be pulled apart. So in a gentle way, of course. And see, I can go even further. Go further, go further. All right. Obviously that was longer than 10 seconds, but 10 seconds meaning that you hold it in that spot until you feel the muscles start to elongate, then you can go a little bit further. So let's do it on the other side. Get a good grip on the back of that skull, turn, get that elbow faced out. Now on this side, I don't feel like it's too tight over here on this side. It's usually the dominant side that's a little bit more stiff. Or for some of you, it's the opposite end, because you're kind of counterbalancing the weaker side, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and pull down, pull down, pull down. And I forgot to mention that it's important as you start to pull down that head and drop that elbow, that this side you don't get to the point where you want to bring this side up, because that's just going to undo what we're trying to do here. So go ahead and pull down, pull down, pull down, and you can drop those shoulders too as well if you feel yourself rising a little bit. Sometimes on this side I kind of rise my shoulders. All right, shake it out, shake the hands, shake the arms, kind of loosen up a little bit, keep those shoulders dropped. I had a tendency when I was dealing with the stiff neck to hike my shoulders up. For whatever reason, I felt more comfortable at the time of doing it, but not long term. I felt like I was hurting myself, which I was. So remember, this simple neck exercise can be done anywhere you are. You can be anywhere. You could be sitting in your office seat for a few minutes. Just take a few minutes and do that. Or you can be walking, taking a walk, walking the dog. You can even do this just at any point. I recommend at least 3 times per day. In the morning when you're probably the most stiff waking up, and then at lunch when you have a little bit more time in between your meal, and then before you go to bed, just to kind of make sure that when you get up it's less stiff in your neck as you wake up, because you'll get a good night's sleep, you get the blood moving, and you'll avoid those really annoying symptoms that come with just having that stiff neck. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you in the next video.